Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got Prado Design in the building, and he's bringing to us today a casual analog watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Infinity Watch Face. I love the look. I love the design. I'm telling you, Prado is definitely doing his thing with these watch faces. Prado, please, whatever you do, continue. Now in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice look for the Gears 3, and you're gonna get a different look for the Gears 2, but they both are gonna look nice, and you will get your time at a glance with no problem. But let's take a look at the watch face when it's on. What you're gonna get pretty much is a traditional look for an analog watch face. Not a bad look, but it's going to give you everything that most people are seeking for out of a watch face. That's step status, right? You get a moon phase up at the top, very stylish hands. You get your date. You also get your step info, your weather, and it is in active. And here, you're going to be able to get your heart rate information. Again, everything is in active. You can tap into it. Applications you can set. And here's your calendar. So I like this. I like this watch face. Double tap and change the color. Check out the colors, people. Nice. Now that one's beautiful. That's the one we'll play today. Let's cycle through just to give you an idea what you're in for when you download this watch face. Prado Design is not playing, people. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.